So before like showing you guys more of these syllabuses I've been making, I should definitely explain what they're for and how I use them. They're not just copy exactly what they are and then use them yourself. You actually have to use your brain cells when using the syllabuses. And what I mean by that is that all the stuff that I've written down, or most of it, a lot of it, it isn't going to be the same for you. A lot of it is a lot of it is going to need to be changed so that so that fits you better. For example, because it's just a template. It's not set in stone. It's just this is just an idea for you to change, and yeah, it's just an idea for you to change. This is what I'm doing. You'll do something else. Maybe in the course description it wouldn't be. In this course, I'll study fundamental concepts of art and drawing from beginner to intermediate levels, so you get a better grasp of art and become a better character artist. Maybe you're already advanced, so you want to study like advanced anatomy and become a better whatever as a result. Probably better character artist too, but anyways. So if let's say we're going from that direction, we'd put in the course description right here. We'd write that in the course description, and we change this from intro to drawing to intro or advanced anatomy or something like that. And then we'd put that then we'd go to this playlist that I've made for the drawing, and then you take the stuff that's useful in this playlist, like the anatomy for artists, head and neck, just anything that's anatomy, you take it from here, and then you make a new playlist that's 18 hours long. Because if you have 3 credit hours per week and you have 6 weeks, it'd be 18 hours of lecture time. So yeah, you'd make it 18 hours long. And then you'd find 4 books on anatomy specifically. And read 2 of them all the way. Skim through all 4 to figure out which ones you want to read all the way. Yeah, so... And the research paper, you'll have to change. It's not going to be the same for everybody. I might be changing my research paper here pretty soon as well. It might not even be a research paper anymore. Like, for art and stuff, it might be better to make a project than a research paper. I put research paper because that's what I'm used to, but if you're like an artist, maybe you want to change that. We'll see. Anyways... Yeah, that's about it. That's how you use it. Thank you.